Internet technology has brought about a revolutionary change in our lives, of course, for the positive. Search engines like Google and several other search engines, as well as a plethora of websites which have been created on the internet, are providing easy and quite often free access to learning for anyone, anywhere, anytime. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about one such website, education.com, which offers a variety of resources for students from kindergarten to grade 5, which can be used by parents, teachers, and the students. Coming up. What is going on? My name is Ramesh and welcome to another video on Mudgal's Musings, a channel dedicated to increasing your productivity. If this happens to be your first time here, consider subscribing because I keep posting one interesting video every single week to boost your productivity. In the last video, I gave a presentation on the ck12.org, one of the free websites with fantastic resources for teachers, students, and parents as well. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you through a very small tutorial on education.com. So the first things first, you will have to access the website by typing its URL in any of the browsers. It could be the Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, or Safari. Education.com is a very beautiful website which caters to the needs of students learning in several key subjects from kindergarten till grade 5. To access majority of the features of the website, you will have to create a login for yourself, which you can do by clicking on this login. In case you have already logged in, I've got several accounts which I have logged in already, so I can do that. Or else if you need to create your account for the first time, click on the sign up. It's going to offer you this screen. You need to kind of click yes, I am over 13. Even if you want to use it for your child, you still have to kind of create an account for yourself using either the Facebook or sign in with Google. And once you can even sign in using your email address and creating a password. Once you create your account, you will then be able to explore many of the options. But please remember, this is a paid website and the free resources are only available up to a certain extent. After you, let's say, download a few worksheets or access a few activities and few resources on the website will obviously restrict your usage and will prompt you to purchase the license for this website. Well, the interesting fact is that it's not very expensive. One lifetime license costs about $160 US dollars, which I consider as a very reasonable one. So what all can you do on this website? Number one, this website offers you a learning library in which you will have all kinds of resources. You will have access to printable worksheets, subject wise and grade wise. You will have access to online games in math, reading, and several other games. If you are a teacher, you will have access to lesson plans, several guided lesson plans. And if you want to explore this website further, you will have to kind of, I came out of the website. So let's check out on the online games first, because that I believe is a very interesting feature. So if your child is in, let's say, grade 3 and you want to make learning fun and engaging for your child, whether it's a student or whether it's your own child, and you want to choose a subject, mathematics, you can choose, and there are multiple concepts of mathematics for grade 3 which are available. Let's take the example of fractions. So there are these 6 games which are already uploaded, and education.com keeps updating these resources month after month, and we can hopefully see several more activities being added. So if you want to click on this, obviously you will have the option of a bit of a description as to what the game is, and then once it is assigned, if you're a teacher, you can assign this to your students if you have the premium account already activated for yourself. If you're a parent and if you bought it for your own purpose, then you can by clicking on the play option, make your child start playing this game. This is a very fun and engaging and interesting way of making children learn mathematics using digital technology. So what else can this website offer? It also offers printable worksheets. Initially, you can download the worksheets subject wise and the concept wise and the grade wise, and use them, print them and use them in any manner that you deem fit. It also offers the opportunity of creating the website. The users can, I mean, not website, the worksheets. The users can create and design worksheets of their own choice and in their own subjects. So that's another very interesting feature. And for teachers especially, there is a very interesting feature. I'm sure once you have the access, even parents will be able to access this option, and that is the guided lessons. Again, these guided lessons are sorted according to the grade and according to the subject. So let's pick grade 4 and let's pick a subject, mathematics again. So there is one lesson. This is the lesson plan, and by assigning this lesson, probably the students will get an option of going through this description and any videos or any kind of text and visual prompts which are available. After this, teachers can also assign some activities for the students. That's all on Mudgal's Musings this week. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, and do share the video among your friends and acquaintances so that they too benefit by watching it, by exploring this website and several other websites which I'll keep reviewing and putting up about. Till I see you next time, have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.